Alright guys, so here we have the second part of that other unboxing. I really can't wait to open these. These are really cool. So as you can see right here, this is a Megaminx and this is the Aoshi GTS 6x6. So this is a kind of a new puzzle that recently came out. And this is an Aohun Megaminx, which is sort of on the older side. Not older side, but this has been out there for some time. So I'm gonna actually start out with the Megaminx, see how it is. Alrighty. Alright, so box, like new regular GTS puzzles that are coming out these days. Don't look like it comes in any wrapping. I have a few other things in here. Anything else? No, I don't think so. Alright. So here's the Megaminx and comes with a manual. I have absolutely no idea who that guy is. And probably just some Moyu people. Alright, so check out the Megaminx. Okay. So this Megaminx is pretty different than the X-Man one. As you can see right here, they don't really have ridges around every piece, but they actually just have ridges around every side. So you kind of just have it all over the corners and then kind of right here on the edge pieces, but you don't really have it on the sides right here like how it has on the X-Man. And you have a completely circular center, and this cube out of the box is really oily. Gonna go ahead and clean this up a bit. Alright, so that feels much better. Let's go ahead and do some first impression turns. Alright, so it's very like crunchy and hard to turn right now. It's kind of what you expect from Moyu GTS puzzles out of the box these days. It's getting this oiliness back, so I'm not sure if that's just my hands or, I don't know, stickers or something like that. But yeah, let's check out some corner cutting. Alright, so that's kind of hard to do backwards. Yeah, so this really needs some tensioning and some setup. A few solves will probably break it in a little bit. So yeah, I'll be making a review about this. So these are just my first impressions. So Aohun Megaminx. So here we go. GTS Aoshi 6x6. This has been something new, and can't really wait to try it out. It's gonna be awesome. Alright, normal Moyu box. This is very different than the Megaminx one. It actually has a picture of Megaminx there. This one probably says Aoshi in Chinese or something, I don't know. And then GTS on the side. Alright, so this one is in packaging. Have the manual. That guy again. And check out this puzzle. Alright, so right off the bat, this actually looks really small for a 6x6. This is like kind of small 6x6. It's too small comparison right now. So I have my main right here. And yeah, this is actually a little bit smaller in size. Take a look. So this is the Wuhua with full finish stickers. And here is the Aoshi GTS. Alright, check this out. See, alright, so it is a little bit oily on the white side. Let's wipe that off right now. Alright, so here we go, the Aoshi 6x6. Let's go ahead and do some first turns. I heard that they're coming out with the magnetic version of this. Seems like that's going to be really great too. Right now, this feels like a normal 6x6 out of the box. Honestly, like if you were to try a Wuhua out of the box, they're very sandy and definitely need some setup. It's pretty much, I think, perfectly tensioned for me. If you take a look at my Wuhua, I kind of like things more on the loose sides. So it's maybe a little bit tighter, but that'll be fixed during setup when I set this up. And yeah, I do believe in what Kevin Hayes says, where the best way to set up a bigger cube is to do a ton of solves on it. So yeah, there we go. I'll be doing a ton of solves on this, setting it up a little bit maybe, and we'll see how it turns out after that. But yeah, first layer, it's actually very smooth and fast. First layer, I really like the first layer. Second layer is actually even better than the first layer. I really love the second layer because it's very smooth, fast, and controllable at the same time. The third layer is very sandy, and it is really fast. This cube is pretty fast. It's already getting faster as I turn it. So yeah, it's good to know. Very nice.
Alright guys, so here I have set up the Aoshi GTS 6x6 and the Aohun Megaminx, and here are some of my opinions. For the Megaminx, I really didn't like it even after setting it up with D&M and silk. I didn't use any silicone lube because I think for bigger cubes, silicone lube doesn't work that well. But it came out really scratchy and it's very hard to turn still, even after tensioning it and setting it up, breaking it in with about 50 solves. I still think a unlubed, unsetup X-Men Galaxy Megaminx is much better than the Aohun. As for the 6x6, it's amazing after I set it up. I only set it up with 8 drops of D&M and 4 drops of silk, and it is amazing. Much better in my opinion than the Wuhua. It's just so much smoother than what it was out of the box, and just turns much better. If you want to buy any of these cubes, I'll be having a link in the description. And make sure to comment, subscribe, and like this video. And I will see you all next time. Bye.